So here is the type 1. The question is state whether the following PMF or not with the given with reason. So this is the probability distribution they have given us, and we have to check whether this is a probability mass function or not. So values of x and corresponding p of x are given. When x equal to 0, its probability is 0.4. When x equal to 1, it is 0.4. And if it is x equals to 2, its corresponding probability is 0.2. So how do we solve this? To prove this is PMF, we have to verify two conditions, right? So let us consider first condition. What we observe in this distribution, in above problem, each and every probability greater than 0. Agreed? Yes. This 0.4, again this 0.4 and this 0.2, all these values are greater than 0. So first condition is satisfied, that is Pi is greater than or equal to 0 for every I. Now to verify second condition, in this distribution we have P of x as 0.4, 0.4 and 0.2. So summation of all this, I created this as P1 equals to 0.4, P2 equals to 0.4 and P3 equals to 0.2. So what I want P1 plus P2 plus P3 should be equals to 1. So this 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2 gives me my answer as 1, which is my RHS. So second condition is also verified. As both conditions are verified, therefore it is a PMF. I hope everybody understood this problem, or I'll repeat again. I want to prove this as PMF, so I have to verify two conditions. First condition is I want each and every probability should be greater than or equal to 0. So we observe from this, all these probabilities are greater than or equal to 0. And the second condition is sum of all this should be equals to 1. So 0.4 plus 0.4 is 0.8, 0.8 plus 0.2 is 1. So both conditions are satisfied, therefore it is PMF. Now go to the next slide for second problem. Yes, here is the second problem. Now what they have given us question as, state whether the following is PMF or not with reason, and they have given us distribution as x and corresponding p of x. So values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I have corresponding probabilities as 0.1, 0.5, 0.2, minus 0.1 and 0.2. So what do you observe in those probabilities? Here each and every probability lies between 0 to 1 or greater than or equal to 0 except for x equal to 3, because the probability is minus 0.1. So its solution is given by, in above probability distribution, probability corresponding to x equal to 3 is minus 0.1, which is negative. So it violates our first condition, or the first condition is non-satisfying. Therefore, as the first condition not satisfied, no need to check second condition. And because of non-satisfying of first condition, we can say it is not PMF. Okay. So this is a non-satisfying problem of PMF which violates the first condition. Now come to this third problem. What it says, state whether the given distribution is PMF or not with reasons. So here my random variable is z and corresponding probabilities are P of z. So from this, what do you observe? Each and every probability, yes, it is greater than or equal to 0. So first condition satisfied. Now if I consider this as z1, z2, z3, z4, z5, corresponding probabilities are 0.